নমস্কার, অনেক দিন বাদে আবার এসেছি আজকে। Visitors control. Controlling of visitors is a important factor to security. Today I will give little knowledge on this. Two types. One is planned and another is unplanned visitors. Planned visitors. In case of planned visitors, information to the security supposed to get in advance, and on his arrival, in the sense visitors, check the identity and confirm from the authority. Make the entry in appropriate register, that is visitors registers, and guide him to reach up to the destination. In case required, escort him if the destination is unknown to him. Another one is unplanned. There will not be any advance intimation to security. On arrival, check the identity, ask to whom he wants to see, what purpose of the visit. Ask to authority, then only make entry. Issue filled visitor slip, tell to get signed by authority with time. Route him or guide him if unknown. Now the follow-up portion. How much time can be taken by visitors? Security has to have idea. Wait for some time, about 2 hours. If not returned, make a call to authority about the particular visitors or how much it will take, how much time it will take, and wait up to that time. Sometimes visitors are going out without handing the slip. Security has to track with authority and make entry. Sometimes visitors has completed his task, taken sign also, but he is not gone out of the company. After confirming from the authority, security has to search physically inside the company or factory. If visible anywhere, talk to him and take him to authority for the explanation of the time after his signature. Visitors has to close at any time if he has more than one task. It has been observed that place where any mishap has been taken place, before that the visitors place several times. Visitor visited that place several times with various motive, and security could not guess that. They are entering with a small task, may be false also. After entering, they are accumulating some clue what they need, and later on that incident has been taken place. In mall or multiplex, if visitors are entering as a customer, it is little difficult. Though monitoring the CCTV, they can guess something. CCTV is one of the most important factor to search the suspected visitors in the mall or multiplex. Normally, in this type of premises, separate entry is there for visitors. Lastly, visitor should enter in formal dress, and security should not behave roughly with any visitors at any cost. till he has been suspected. One more thing I want to say. Normally, some visitors are visiting frequently, once in a month or once in a week, like this. Small thing is to be checked on that. The mobile number they are entering supposed to be the same. If the mobile number is changing frequently, that particular visitors is to be suspected and it is to be intimated to authority. Thank you.